Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Vertex Mod Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This upgraded momentum tool refines the classic Vertex concepts to show bullish and bearish pressure more clearly, helping you gauge trend direction, strength, and potential reversal points with smoother, less noisy signals. Alright, at this point I'm just going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Right, set out on the wrong one. Right, maybe I want to allow the little imports, and there we have it. As you can see on the charts, the vertex mod indicator plots a momentum line of values in a sub window that reflects whether bullish or bearish pressure is dominating the markets. Rising bullish values or lines indicate strengthening upper momentum, while rising bearish values indicate strengthening downward momentum. Changes in slope, crossovers between bullish and bearish readings, or divergence between price and the vertex mod line can all visually signal potential trend continuations or upcoming reversals. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. Alright, so the vertex mod refines traditional vertex calculations by smoothing its readings and reducing noise, making its momentum swings easier to interpret. So basically we have controllable parameters, have the control period, signal method, BB up period, BB up, deviation, and the rest of that. They're all here. Can also customize the colors of all the lines in the separate sub window, so it stands out clearly on your underlying MT4 chart team. Alright, so who is this for? The Vertex Mod Indicator suits traders of all experience levels who want a clearer, smoother momentum confirmation tool to support trend and reversal decisions. As with any momentum indicator, it lacks price, can produce false signals in ranging markets, and should be used with other confirmation tools and proper risk management. The download links for both MT4 and MT5 are in the description below. You can read the full Vertex Mod Indicator MT4 article, including concept explanation, strategies, best markets and timeframes, advantages and limitations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.